hesitate to split. You make it come alive.
So off we go for the second match of game week 4.
Ongayam.
Samson can launch the counter now for hpfa. Samishon checks back in. Samishon at the back post, and Ayat has opened the scoring here for hpfa. So many times in the game hpfa have had Samishon checks back in. Samishon at the back post, and Ayat has opened the scoring here for hpfa. Wung Singh at the back post. William clips the crossbar and out for a goal kick for United Brothers. What a game this has been. Will all but still 3 points here. Wung Singh, it's high. It falls to Shomi at the back post. Shomi in again. Timing header from Takathur. And another fine stop from Soroboy. Tashim. Good ball in. And Wung Singh gets a vital touch. And it is inevitable from the number 9 of hpfa. If he plays, he scores on at halftime.
Goal for
hpfa. Shim. Good ball in. And Wung Singh gets a vital touch. Showing so much hunger, still showing so much drive, but it is a little too late as the defending champions have emerged victorious here, picking up a 2-0 win. A great win against a spirited United Brothers team.